Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mikey here, back for yet another video, and in today's video we're talking about how you as YouTubers, as marketers, as people who want to make YouTube videos can use copyright free music so you don't have to worry about the copyright strikes or any of that. Well, I am here to save you guys, don't worry. I know you guys don't want copyright strikes, because actually on YouTube, if you get 3 copyright strikes, you're out. It just works just like baseball. 3 strikes, you're out. Same thing for YouTube. If you get 3 strikes on YouTube, you can no longer make videos, and of course you guys don't want that. So in today's video we're going to teach you guys how to get free non-copyright music. That is the topic of today's video. So I'm going to get the obvious out of the way, and I'm going to tell you guys that the first thing you want to do is just search on YouTube copyright free music. This is one of the best ways to find copyright free music. You know, right here you already have this thing called audio library, no copyright music right here, and it's just absolutely free music that you can use on your videos, and you don't have to worry about getting a copyright strike or anything like that. Okay, so the next best thing you're going to want to do is search no copyright sounds. This is one of the most popular channels for no copyright music, because you can use any of their songs for free on your channel, and they're actually quite nice. They're super simple to download, no problem. You have house music right here, you have trap music right here, you have dubstep, you have everything you would ever want on a channel, and I have used their service many times. It's been super well, and in fact I think I used to use their music on almost all my YouTube videos back when I was first starting. And all you have to do is click free download. It'll always be in the description. You just click that and you can easily access their music super fast, and it's just no problem at all. Free download right there. You can also get it on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Apple Music, so that's pretty cool as well. Alright, now that we're on their channel though, we can look at other related channels, and these channels as well have tons of music for you. So you really don't have to worry about copyright music. Like, some people think there's just not a lot out there, but guys, there are so many channels that are willing to give you free music for free. All you have to do is put them in your description, give them a shout out, and you get access to all this music. In fact, the music you heard in this intro of my video was from The Fat Rat, which is a completely free non-copyright music site or YouTube channel, and I just put his link in the description. I get his awesome song, and I think it's pretty catchy too. It's not like bad music, but it's actually pretty catchy as well. So here are some other free channels that you can use to download non-copyright free music, and I hope you guys take advantage of that too. Okay guys, so something people don't think about is that you can actually directly message some of the producers who make this music. So I remember back when I was a younger lad, I used to message this guy every once in a while and be like, hey, can I use your music? And he was totally cool with it. It's promoting his music. You're getting to use the music for free. All you have to do again is put their description and their channel and their work in your description, and it's just super awesome, you guys. It's kind of like collaborating, because you're helping him and in return he's helping you. And so I really recommend doing this. Sometimes you just click on the about page, you can get their business email, you can message them through there, you can click I'm not a robot and all that stuff. He has a description of himself there, but like, there's certain producers who let you use their music if you just ask them. So don't be like afraid to ask these producers to use their music, because sometimes they will actually go ahead and say yes. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you get non-copyright music on YouTube. You don't have to worry about it anymore. And I just really hope you guys did enjoy this YouTube video and this YouTube tutorial. If you guys want to learn more on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get free stuff, definitely check out my channel down below. We make daily YouTube videos about how you can grow your channel. And I really just hope you guys did enjoy. Once again, check out Mikeydraws.com. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Goodbye. Take care.